Hello everyone, my name is Samruddha Powar and I am from Kolhapur. Recently, I have completed my graduation in environmental engineering at the most reputed college in my city, that is KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, which is an autonomous institute. I would like to share my engineering journey in short. I received my admission in 2017, which was the first autonomous batch, and I'm really glad that I got to enter the college at that point of time because of all the modified syllabus and the enhanced teaching and learning process that were going to take place. I think it really helped me boost my career because it developed my personality as well as the academic skills. And today I am able to be confident in the market due to that modified curriculum that I went through. In the beginning years of my engineering, that is in the first year itself, I received an opportunity of internship and I went abroad in Taiwan. So that was the turning point in my life because my institute gave me all the support that I needed to go there. I think as a freshman, it is a bit challenging to pursue such great exposure. So at that point also my institute helped me complete it, and also it gave me a certainty that where I want to stand in the next year, and that gave me an insight of what I need to do next. So next I entered my department, that is the Department of Environmental Engineering, where the staff and all the professors and my honorable head of department, Dr. Akshit Horvat sir, he has been very supportive. All of them have been very supportive and kind and have always stepped up to help each and every student. And this everything, all of this environment has given a really good boost to my career, and I am very thankful to all of them that helped me contribute to this success that I have received today. And I give all my credits to my HOD and the professors, as they have given me good guidance at every step of my journey. So my department has been very kind and supportive for all the processes that I went through, and today I am going to pursue my dream career, that is I have got an opportunity to complete my post graduation at one of the most top universities in the world, and which is very great success for me because I have been working towards it for a long time, and this was all possible because of my college, my department, and my head of department. So I would really like to thank everyone, and now I can say that I am very thankful and grateful and also a proud KITian. Thank you.